back to What the Hunt.
I know we haven't posted in a while. We are having technical issues. We're going to Kansas. That's why he shaved.
That way the ducks can see my face.
He had to look pretty for him.
Today is Wednesday, and it's almost 9 o'clock. We're going to swing into Cabela's because I'm going to pick up some stuff in Council Bluffs. It's like a 7-hour trip, but we're probably two and a half in already.
Yep.
Yeah, 2 hours in. We started at 7.
Yeah, we're about 2 hours in, so.
But he's going to be probably going more for snows. If we can, he's going for specs, and I just want some honk daddies.
Oh, if it's in my face and wings are flapping, it's dead.
And wish us luck, we're going for nothing but bands.
Welcome back.
Made it to lodge.
Good morning.
Oh. He looks super happy. Why did everybody look super happy?
Everybody's super happy to be here.
Yeah. Oh. There you go. What do we got going on this morning?
Supposed to be on a lesser hunt today. How many decoys?
1,800.
1,800
I'm
decoys.
excited just to see the number of decoys.
I've never seen that many decoys.
We're laying in the spread.
All darks. This is going to be saucy.
Should be pretty good, boys.
But we just wanted to give you a little update so that way you know what's going on. And then once we slap this whole video together, tell. But look at this, man.
It's nuts.
I don't even think my house is this nice. Oh, it's so cool. Well, I don't know if you ever seen 1,800 decoys. I haven't.
Me?
I haven't. Then we got these guys. Everybody's getting ready now to go to town, right?
What's that?
We're gonna get ready to go to town.
Yeah, we're gonna smoke them.
Shoot them, guys. Nice. Shoot. Good shooting. Shoot him, guys! Nice shot! Whoever shot that last one, good grief.
Yo.
Even if they just come over. Yep. Shoot them straight up, guys! Shoot them, guys! Right side! Nice. Very good.
Oh.
Shoot the two, guys! Back. Shoot him, guys! Back. Shoot him, guys!
Someone could have caught that one.
Here they come, boys. Get ready.
Pray and pray right there.
Two.
Shoot him.
Oh, I think the pretty one went down. Yeah,
Go ahead and shoot him, guys.
that took a while.
Only one that don't glide.
He just worked and worked and liked it and didn't like it.
Here. Heel. Hold it. Heel. Kill him.
Come on. Oh yeah, they're coming.
Try him, guys.
Oh, watch where he goes.
He can die. We've shot one duck and I think a couple geese. So going good so far. We've seen a lot of birds.
Oh yeah.
Really pretty little water hole. What do you think, Andy? Whatever's already broken in there's gonna have to get replaced anyways. If something's broken.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we didn't close out the last hunt, but we ended up having 4 specks, 4 lessers,
5 mallards.
5 mallards.
You got your first greenhead.
I shot my first greenhead. Andy got a nice speck. Randy did all kinds of shooting.
Yeah.
My gun fouled up, so I went from shooting 3 shots to 1 every time and happened to force the bolt forward. So keep your gun clean, especially when you go on a big hunt.
Going to a field like 50 minutes away from the lodge. It's going to be a field hunt out of an A-frame. So we might get a little wet. Randy?
So you run in the trailer where you can't even get away.
Alright, we're all tucked into the blind.
Hey.
Got Andy down at the end. Cousin Josh.
No.
He killed 29 geese the other day with 5 shots. So he's pretty good.
Wow.
They were right in the spray.
Shoot. Get him. You and I double tapped that same one on the right, didn't we?
The one that's going to land right in front of us.
Right side, shoot him. Right side. Shoot, guys, shoot him. Oh yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Got one. Oh yeah.
Coming back.
Shoot the tree, guys.
super duper extra Goose full on the front, you know.
Gonna smack some of them ones that are way out there. Bad.
Andy?
Yep.
What do you think?
It's been a damn good hunt. I don't even know what we're up to in birds, but
We gotta be 40 something.
at least, if not more.
Well, we just got done with our third hunt here at Sandhill Flyways in Kansas. It was a really good one. What did we get? 50 geese,
Yeah, 50 geese, 5 mallards.
5 mallards, 4 of which were drakes. They were beautiful.
Yep.
Real good looking Millardos.
We had some big volleys come in, and it was awesome. It was their last hunt here altogether for the year, so
They did it.
it was fun.
They did it right.
Yeah.
End of episode.
End of episode. So don't have too much fun, but